Building upon the success of its predecessor, Optimus Gen 2 is poised to revolutionize the field of robotics with its advanced AI and enhanced functionality. Optimus Gen 2 represents a significant leap forward in robotics technology. It combines state-of-the-art artificial intelligence with a range of new features that make it more versatile, adaptable, and capable than ever before. At the heart of Optimus Gen 2 is its advanced AI system, powered by deep learning algorithms and neural networks. This enables the robot to understand and respond to its environment with unprecedented accuracy and intelligence. Whether it's assisting with household chores, performing complex industrial tasks, or even providing healthcare support, Optimus Gen 2 excels in a wide range of applications. Its robust design and dexterity make it suitable for diverse environments and tasks. Optimus Gen 2 is not just a robot, it's a companion, a helper, and a partner in innovation. With its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls, it can be easily customized to meet the specific needs of users across various